Can you solve both of these exponential equations before I do? The first one looks easy, but the second one tricks most students. Let's solve them step by step, and stay until the end to see if your answer for the second equation was correct. In this example, we have the equation 3 caret x plus 2 equals 9 caret 2x3. First, we rewrite the number 9 using base 3, because 9 is equal to 3 squared. So the equation becomes 3 caret x plus 2 equals 3 squared caret 2x3. Now we apply the power rule. When we raise a power to another power, we multiply the exponents. So we get 3 caret x plus 2 equals 3 caret 4x6. Since both sides now have the same base, the exponents must be equal. So we write x plus 2 equals 4x6. Next, move the x terms to one side and the numbers to the other side. That gives you 4x. X equals 2 plus 6. So, 3x equals 8. Finally, divide both sides by 3. X equals 8/3. And this is the solution to the first equation. Now let's solve the second equation. 8 caret 4x 12 equals 16 caret 5x3. First, we rewrite both 8 and 16 using base 2. We know that 8 equals 2 cubed, and 16 equals 2 to the power of 4. So the equation becomes 2 cubed caret 4x 12 equals 2 to the power of 4 caret 5x3. Now apply the power rule by multiplying the exponents. We get 2 caret 12x 36 equals 2 caret 20x 12. Since the bases are equal, we set the exponents equal to each other. 12x 36 equals 20x 12. Now move the x terms to one side and the constants to the other side. 20x 12x equals minus 36 plus 12. So we have 8x equals minus 24. Finally, divide both sides by 8. X equals minus 3. And that is the final answer for the second equation.